Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a battle of the brands. This literally brings me so many memories because I used to do so many videos like these back in the day. We tested like one brand next to the other that had a very similar product. So I told you guys this a few weeks back and I'm now finally getting to do this video, but powder foundations are super trending right now. So what I want to do is I want to do a battle of the powder foundations to see which one will be the ultimate winner. I have today two powder foundations that I have been using either for a few years or a few months. The two that we're going to be comparing back to back is the Aquassurance Compact Foundation by J.CAT Beauty. And then I'm going to put the Beauty Creations foundation. This one is new, this one isn't. I mean, I think it came out like a year or two ago. So I'm very familiar with this and with this one because I have been using them both for a long time. But I want you guys to be the judge at the end of the day and let me know what you guys think about the foundation and which one's the winner. We're also going to be doing a full day wear test and I will let you guys know how the skin looks at the end of the day, check in with you guys, all that fun stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you're ready. I need to know what foundation you guys want to see next because when whatever foundation wins, you know, I will compare that one to the next foundation. So, and if you enjoy this type of content, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay, so for the Aquassurance Compact Foundation from J.CAT, I'm going to apply it on this side, and then the Beauty Creations is going to go on to the left side. Really quickly though, I just want to give you some brief information on the product itself, just so you can get an idea of what I'm even talking about. So again, this is the Aquassurance Compact Foundation. It retails for $13.99. There's 13 shades available. I do have a discount code with J.CAT Beauty. I do earn a small commission, so if you want to support me, that'd be awesome. If not, just go to their website and order the foundation on your own. So this is a finely milled, luxurious, silky texture that minimizes the appearance of the pores. So we're going to check that and compare it to the Beauty Creations to see if it does minimize texture in the appearance of pores. It absorbs and balances excess oil without creasing and looking cakey. It claims to have an innovative technology with a water lock system to prevent moisture within the powder, so you're not supposed to get oily with this. And it's supposed to provide medium to full coverage, and it has really good ingredients, which I'm not going to go too much into. So there's the Aquassurance by J.CAT. All right, so now for the Beauty Creations powder foundation, there's 18 shades, so you're definitely getting a lot more of a shade range with Beauty Creations. They also have cool, neutral, and warm. You can find your undertone pretty easy. I was able to find mine. My shade is 11.0 and I feel like it's a really good match to me. So the description here is medium to full coverage. It has a velvet finish, lightweight formula, controls shine, blurs imperfections, and it is oil free. Let's go ahead and jump into it. My preferred way of applying a powder foundation is with a brush. These will come with their own sponge. I just can't get that to work for me. I know some people say that they work better that way, but I still find that this works just as fine. So I forgot what side I said I was going to go in with the powders, but whatever. The right side is going to be the J.CAT Aquassurance. I'm going to go in. This is my favorite brush to apply it with, the buffing brush by Revlon. Okay, so there is one side of the skin. It looks really nice. It's medium to full coverage. If I needed more coverage, like right here, I would just go back and reapply the powder on the skin. I'm going to go ahead and conceal this side. I actually went ahead and concealed both eyes. I haven't applied any powder on this side, and I actually have a little bit more redness on the side of my face, but just to save time, if you're wondering what concealer I'm using the Dose of Colors in the shade 17, and I've been setting it with the only thing I've been using for a few months, the LA Colors Universal Matte Setting Powder. So let's go ahead and move on to this side of the skin. We're going to go in with the Beauty Creations 11.0 foundation. This is a neutral undertone, and I don't think I mentioned the price on the Beauty Creations, but this one retails for $12.99. I want to say, oh, it's $10, so it's super affordable. Definitely a plus for that. I'm going to go ahead and take that And again, stamping it in and then like buffing it out. I do have like some little wrinkles right here, so I do buff it in that area because I do find that powder foundations do settle into fine lines. At least for me it does. So again, just pushing that into the skin, pressing it. And you don't need this specific brush, but whatever like flat top kabuki brush that you may have, that one will work just as fine. And then because I want a little more coverage in this area, I will just go back with a little bit more. It is way too hot for me to be out and about. I'm minding my business at home. Okay, so the skin is done. I do this really quick when I'm obviously not filming, but I'm going to zoom you guys even more so we can see what powder foundation looks smoother, more velvety, and which one makes my pores look smaller. Okay, so, oh, hello, up close and personal. So taking a look, I'm going to peel off. So this is the J.CAT Beauty. So this side is the J.CAT Beauty Foundation. As you can see, my pores look normal. They don't look as smooth as the Beauty Creations. Do you see what I'm seeing? Like you can still see the pores a little bit here. And on this side, they look a lot more filled in, smooth. The forehead is looking nice and smooth as well. J.CAT Beauty side. It looks very nice and velvety. And this side does too. So let me know what you guys are thinking so far. I do like to do my bronzer, blush, highlighter next, but before I move on to that final step, I do like to set the skin first, just because there's so much powder on the skin. I feel like applying bronzer and blush, like, I don't know, it just doesn't work as well with so much powder laid on top of powder. So I do like to use whatever setting spray you love. This is just my personal favorite, the Professional. I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera. So again, this is the J.CAT Beauty side. As you can see, the skin is looking really nice and smooth. It looks velvety and it just looks really pretty. And this is the Beauty Creation side. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like the Beauty Creation side looks a little smoother. Like just in general, it just looks a lot smoother. So I am gonna go on about my day. It is pretty late. It is 1:53. I just full-time mom here. Hi, hello. So I just now had time to sit down and film, but I will check in maybe like 3 hours. Before I go though, I do want to set the skin one more time. I do find the powder foundations just need to have a little extra love because I feel like they tend to transfer. So I'm going to go ahead and set the skin. I will be back in a few hours. Let's do the final check-in. I was supposed to check in with you guys, but totally spaced it, so sorry about that. I haven't touched my face. I haven't retouched anything. This is how the foundation looks. So listen, powder foundations and heat apparently they're not good friends, okay? I can tell you right away that this side, which is the J.CAT Beauty powder foundation, is definitely a lot oilier. I don't know if you can see a difference, but right here is so oily, like insane. There's so much oil accumulated. My pores look super enlarged. The side of the nose, just the forehead in general is so shiny. So as far as like oiliness, I am definitely going with the Beauty Creations, but some oil still peek through and my pores are a little bit enlarged, but not as much. I can still see the powder foundation, but it's definitely rubbed off in this area right here. And on this area as well, it looks like it's pretty much gone. I feel like my skin looks a lot more textured than with a regular foundation. So I don't know, that's kind of up to you whether you are more of a natural girl. I don't think powder foundations are really meant to be worn in the hot, humid sun. But if you're mainly going to be indoors, if you just want this for work and you just want something light, then I definitely recommend a powder foundation. So with that said, which foundation is the winner chicken dinner? In my opinion, I think the Beauty Creations around Beauty Creations powder foundation won this round. Oh my gosh, I need to go to bed. Lincoln was being so extra today. He's teething, and if you're a mom, you know. But anyways, I do think the Beauty Creations just held up better as far as staying put. I think it's less shiny, so if you're extremely oily, this might be a foundation for you if you just want to wear it alone. I do have to say that I like the Aquasurance on top of a foundation to give you extra coverage, but on its own, I feel like it wears best indoors and not exactly outdoors. That is it for today's video. That is Battle of the Brands Beauty Creations versus Aquasurance Compact Foundation by J.CAT Beauty. Let me know in the comment section down below which powder foundation should battle the Beauty Creations next. I'm thinking either the L'Oreal, we can either do Makeup Forever or the Patrick Star powder foundation. I will leave some comments down below and then you guys can vote and let me know which one you want to see next. So that is awesome. For $10, you cannot go wrong. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. I love you all. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay out of the sun, wear your SPF. And until next time, I will catch you in my next video.